everybody. It's exactly 1 month from my full knee replacement. It's been a lot of ups and downs. I spent the first 10 days not being able to elevate the leg up off the floor, but I did get that movement, but I've had a few complications, and I've had basically been sort of like a bit lazy over the past three or 4 days, and been getting improvements but not where I want them. So today I feel like the recovery has gone backwards, and I'm now struggling to lift the leg off the ground again. So I'm starting my physio and strengthening that leg again in the hope that it will reverse what I've done over the past few days by being sort of lazy. And it's really easy to be lazy because I was in a lot of pain, and there's been, like I say, a few swellings here and there, and it's very hard to. So I'm going to get back to it, and I'll let you know how that goes. Hopefully it should go well, because it just goes to show if you don't use it, you will lose it. So wish me luck, and I'll keep up with the progress reports and get back to you. And there's a lot going on in my garden this time of year also, with my growing, my allotments and stuff. So I've been out and about, and I've found certain areas of my movability have been really good, but I just feel that maybe I've lacked a little bit of strengthening of the leg, and didn't realise that as much as it was going forward, that by stopping that it would actually go back. So I'm going to get on it now. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you all updated.